David here, weekly week report. Today is Sunday, 9th of July. Obviously, market closed. We're looking at the November 2017 UK wheat chart. We've got that in front of us, and we've got my rather scruffy plan that we've been following since beginning of June. And you can see here, this is where we were here, 142. Obviously, the market is now at 152. We're testing this 152 level at the moment. We'll look at the moment. I've got projection targets above this 165, and then the next major one here is 171. Let's go down into the yearly chart. We just need to look at the 60 SMA. We can see here clearly now that we've had a really good break of this 60 SMA. Solid candle here last month. Starting here, Friday night's close, 151. We can see, if we cast our eye to the left here, that we had this swing high also back in 2014. This is now being tested here. Our new target, 165. You can see we've got also confirmation of this swing high here. This was back in earlier 2014, so that would tie in nicely with that. I would expect to see some more consolidation around these levels as the major levels, but if you look at this as a long-term picture chart, we can see now that you're breaking through this trend of last 4 years, 3 years of consolidation going around here where I'm moving my mouse at the moment. We'll pop down into the monthly. We can see here clearly a nice trend in place. We can see this big stellar candle in June, another green candle as we head into July at the present moment. Last swing high on this chart, 142, well back. Go down to the weekly. We can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks we've now been climbing. This was the stellar week that we had the breakout, and it continued up. Last week of June, we closed 151. You can see clearly we've got all the moving average pointing up. Everything is in the upwards move direction at the present moment. This is the all-important daily. We can see here, same, that all the trend lines, all the moving averages are pointing up. We can see that we broke through the swing high here, 144. We can see that we gapped up through this 148 level. This level is held. We hit our target smack to the T, 152. We've retraced from that 1, 2, 3, 4 days. This has been reversed on Friday with this big green candle here. We'll not be surprised to see another test of this 152. We'll either do one thing, break through it, fail, and then come back down to gap fill, or we will maintain the strength and go on to look for our next target, which is 165. But don't see any major warning bells at the moment. We haven't, tested or filled this gap and then moved down. We've got a lot of support areas down below at the present moment. So let's keep an eye on the 152 level doing next week. Thanks for watching.